Alright students, so here's a brief description of what you need to do for the study island stuff. Most of you should have already talked to me in the small groups, but I'm going to go over here to go into a little bit more detail of what you need to do. Someone to log in again, semester 2, do nows, study island, let's click on that. So once this loads, what it's going to have in there is all these lessons already that it's just a placeholder to where you're going to submit your blue ribbons. So if you log on to your Schoology, let me log in as Brian. What you will have, the first thing you will see is this MAPS learning path. Some of you might have other classes. I know some of you have some from Buckman, some of you might still have some from last semester, but anyways, you're going to have your math and your reading, and I want you to work on your math first. So once you click on math, you will have all these lessons, and these individual ones, unit rates, proportional relationships, compute with rational numbers, are what I mean by lesson. And I didn't name them because I want you to do them in whatever order you want and do as many as you want and pick the ones that you want. So if you click on the first one, if you click on lesson, it will show you the lesson. This is what I want you to take notes on. Again, it's all Cornell style. All you need to write is the examples. There's different types of things. Oops. Let me click on it again. There's all these different types of information. There's videos. There's more videos. So taking notes, I want at least one page, but obviously you need to be able to look. You need to look through all this material to be able to answer the quizzes. Another cool thing on here is the flashcards. So let me put that into the window. Pick as many or as little as you want. You can make printable flashcards or interactive flashcards. So here's our interactive flashcards. Luke worked for 14 hours and earned blah blah blah. What was his wage? You all know how to do this. You found it, and then next. So these are really cool examples that you could include in your notes, print them, do whatever you want. Obviously, the more notes and the more you write down, the more you're going to learn and be able to answer all these quizzes. So if you click on this, make sure you're always in practice mode. You could do game mode, printable worksheet, and all these stuff, but I want you to do practice mode. Do at least 10, click next, and then you can start. These are very different. These are going to be very similar to some of the testing that we're going to do later on during the year. But anyways, let me go back to this. Return to main. Let's say that I did lines parallel and perpendicular already. I did 21 of them because I wanted to get a blue ribbon. See that little blue ribbon? I got an 85% and I got an A. You need to get a blue ribbon on all the ones you get, which is usually about at least an 80%, because this is the second thing that I'm going to check. So you click on blue ribbon, something like this should show up. Now to take a screenshot, I'll show you in the video down below, but you need to take a screenshot of this, and this is what's going to be turned into Schoology. So let me take my screenshot, highlight this thing. Now let's go back to Schoology. So this is what you see. If you click on lesson 1, it will bring you up to the thing, and this is what it's going to look like for you. So begin test. So enter the picture of your sessions and grades here. If you don't know what to submit or how to submit it, watch the video in the beginning of this folder. So now once you click on here, click on image or media, click on attach files. This might take a while. Once you attach files, you can select the screenshot. For most of it, it's going to be inserted in our desktop, but it might depend on the Chromebook. We'll go over that in detail in small groups too. Click open. Wait for it to load. And there it is. That's all you need to do. After that, you're good. So you need to do this for at least 24. Click submit. The more you do, the better grades you will have. You can do more for extra credit. And again, this is super cool because it's completely individualized for what you need. So let me just type this in. What are the 2 things you need to do? 1, notes, Cornell style notes, that I will be checking either every Wednesday or as much as I can. I'm not going to have a specific order to them. I just want to make sure you have them. Second thing, blue ribbon. So at the bottom of this video, I'm going to include a link on how to insert screenshots for the Chromebooks and for the iMacs that you're using. Please let me know if you have any questions. Besides that, good luck.